Hey there, little learners. Let's use all the shapes below to draw a beautiful butterfly. Let's start with this first shape. Can you tell me where this blue rectangle goes? Great work. The blue rectangle goes right in the middle. How about this blue circle? Can you tell me where it goes? Make sure to look at the picture above if you're ever stuck. Perfect. The blue circle goes above the blue rectangle. You're doing great. This next one, we have two small blue rectangles. Can you tell me where they go? Great work. The two blue rectangles go above the blue circle. You're doing a great job. Now, we have to give this butterfly some wings. Can you tell me where the two yellow half circles go? Great work. The two yellow half circles go beside the blue rectangle. You can now see the beautiful wings of the butterfly. It's time to fill those wings with color. Can you tell me where the two green circles go? Great work. The two green circles go inside the top of each yellow half circle. For the final piece, we have two small red circles. Can you tell me where the two small red circles go? Great work. The two small red circles go inside the bottom of each yellow half circle. You did a fantastic job. You drew a beautiful butterfly using ordinary shapes and colors. Keep up the good work.